Be sure and apply blue Loctite to all attachment screws and set screws before you assemble. This is the recommended trim line. The FC2 has 70 degrees of full free range of motion. You want to be sure on the posterior that at full plantar flexion that we have removed enough plastic the patient doesn't get pinched. See how free that is? When we're finished assembling, that should fall on its own. Or they're not within tolerances. Let's say laterally, we find the degree that we want that patient to be at. Then medially, we want to be sure both set screws are making the same contact. As soon as that calf moves, back it out just till it touches. Looking at a ground reaction or floor reaction AFO, where you need to limit dorsiflexion, so many practitioners tell me that the plastic just doesn't hold up. So I've taken a piece of 3/32 polypro, laminated that in right over the joints, and then vacuum form your 3/16 polypro. Really gives it a lot of strength. If you have a patient with a very high activity level, you may want to reinforce the uprights also. You have to order the 8mm screw length. The standard screw length is 6mm.